I'm Brandon Nicholson. I'm the VP of Manufacturing here at Metalcraft. I think the first thing is you want to have some technical background, but the right mindset is important. Also, you want to think about, are you reliable? Can the team count on you? Attention to detail is critical. Are you thinking about safety? And are you producing a quality product? The other thing is you want to be open to learn. There's new things out there and new technology that's coming, and we have to be open to learn those new things so that we can evolve in manufacturing. Problem solver. I wish there was a day there wasn't any problems, but almost always you run into a few of those challenges. You got to be able to problem solve through those. And things don't go as planned. So if you're a problem solver, you'll be successful. I think if you have those key things in the right mindset, you'll be very successful. I get most excited about people and technology coming together. If you think about automation and robotics, AI and data, all that coming together to make us more efficient, safer in our workplace, and the future of manufacturing in the United States is very bright. I get very excited about our growth.
Hi, I'm Kyle Bermel, CEO of Metalcraft. I think what makes Metalcraft's manufacturing approach unique is our why statement. And we really thrive on challenges and make the complex simple. And we do that on the manufacturing floor every day. We manufacture difficult to produce parts for our customers' unique applications. We contribute to U.S. manufacturing in multiple ways. One, by providing for a lot of U.S. manufacturers. We provide components for their parts to help identify what those parts are, either with a serial number or a barcode label or an RFID tag. But more importantly, we continue to strive to onshore products that we can make in the U.S. that we have currently been buying from overseas. What excites me about the future of manufacturing is twofold: the great members that we have and we continue to develop, combined with the technologies that are on the horizon that we're continuing to utilize within our manufacturing processes.